Hi, my name is Val, and I'm a marketing manager working in a worldwide company called VMware, based in the United Kingdom. I have been working in the marketing field for the past 12 years, and recently I was looking for a course in order to upgrade and boost my digital marketing skills. So I managed to find a company called Udemy. Udemy course, which was called Digital Marketing Strategist, provided by Anton Voroniuk, helped me to understand the fundamentals of digital marketing strategy, how to build it and how to implement it. Most importantly, I managed to understand how to use different marketing tools like search engine optimization, pay-per-click campaigns, or syndicated content. Therefore, I will recommend to everyone who is looking to understand and upgrade their digital marketing skills to use Udemy course. I will certainly look for any other education opportunity with this company, and I will recommend you to stay tuned. Have a great day. Bye.